Kwa ihinda iraihu thirikari cia kaunti ikoretwo igikaya kumana na kwaga gutumirwo kigina kia oro mwaka ni thirikari nene, undu uria uthiite na mbere guthararia mihango ya oro muthenya mirutire-ini ya wira ya counties. No riu undu uyu werekeire gukinya muthia angikorwo miario ya minister wa utamburukia wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa ni ya gwitikio.
Funding will be released. Yes, there might have been a delay, but as you know, last year was a difficult year for our country. A country to hold 2 general elections in 1 year and still hold a country together was almost a miracle. There might have been delays, but in due course, funding will be released and the county governments will continue to operate. We all believe in devolution and we all believe in this constitution, and I believe let us look at how we can strengthen it and strengthen devolution in our country.
Agikira mukonde gucererwo gutumwo gwa kigina kiu, Wamaro ugite ne maraneirie na muruna wa kigina Henry Rotich uria uhinyiriirie ati kigina kiu gigukorwo gitumitwo ihinda-ini ria ciumia nini icukite. Wamaro akihuthira mweke uyu ningi gutetera thirikari akiuga ati ihinda iraihu ria kambeni na ithurano litikoretwo ririega kuri utonga wa bururi.
My colleague CS Rotich has assured the governors and the country at large that this matter is being addressed by the National Treasury and it should be back on track soon. Asante sana.
Kaja ya magavana ikoretwo iri muhari wa mbere gutetia thirikari ni undu wa gucererwo gwa kigina giki. Aingi ao makiuga mathing'iriirio kurugamia mibango itiganite ya uthii wa na mbere kuona kigina kiria gibataranitie gutire. Na rita kionereria kiorito wa mateta maya kaunti itiganite na ciathing'iriirio kurugamia mishara ya aruti ao a wira makiria mweri-ini wa iri mwaka uyu kumana na gucererwo gwa kigina giki.
Devolution is working, even as devolution brings resources and development to every corner of Kenya. There is the general concern that we are also, as we devolving resources, we are also devolving corruption. And we are trying to see how this can be addressed. We've challenged them as professionals to play their role.
Wamaro alitio ari kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kuria ningi athingatite magavana gutigirira kigina kiu ni kiarutithio wira na njira iria yagiriire mbere ya gutetagia thirikari nene. Undu uyu ni wirigirirwo gukeyumiria hindi ya kigomano kia utamburukia wa mahinya na kiria gigatabanĩrio kaunti-ini ya Kakamega mweri ukite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.